Let's know the most exciting and important part of the program. It's time to meet your mentor, your guide throughout your program. You can also chat with her via the chat bot. This will be your primary mode of communication with your mentor. As your diet plans are personalized, it will take time. Meanwhile, you can watch the video and go through the e-kit. Once your diet is ready, you will get a notification on the app. Your diet chart will be sent like this. Don't forget to see the diet attachments your mentor would like you to see. It is essential to update your weight as we start the program. This will be visible on the weight tracker. Please remember to read the 3 points mentioned here. You can enter your weight in kg and grams as mentioned. The moment you enter and confirm your weight, you get a reward in your BN wallet, the details of which shall be shared with you in an email soon. It is also essential for your mentor to know the changes that are taking place in your body. So, an update of your current inches is also very important. Fill the measurements as per the protocol video. You will again be rewarded for it. We hope you enjoy your program, the features in the BN app, and all the best.